Ya Allah Ta'ala, आप भी. So, Alhamdulillah, finally, all praises to the Most High. I am called as a guest speaker on official Notion event on the 22nd of November. Everyone, I'm just recording this video because I have been invited at the official Notion event in Pakistan, in Islamabad, happening on the 22nd of November. And I am only recording this video because I am so happy, and I think I don't know what happened, but it essentially worked out for me. I will be speaking about how I had built an ATS, which is an applicant tracker system on Notion, and yeah, that is all what my talk is going to be about, and you are going to see right through this video because I am recording this and I would really want myself to record the footage there as well. I'll take you through the way and through the day, and yeah, I mean, let's go. Notion official event. I'm right in the middle of the night. I am working on my Notion thing again. I told you this is my table, this is me all the time, but I wanted to just give you like a small glimpse of how I create automations on Notion so that you can get a rejection email once you've applied. So the company at least gives you an update of your application status. This is one of the templates that I'm trying to finalize, but I'm not sure of update on your application. It's not you. Okay, maybe a little. I find this to be a little not very empathetic, so I'm trying to find another one. But an honest, okay, we'll go with this one. An honest, so this is one of the automations that I'm trying to build, and I'll tell you more about it. So I started sending out the application forms to my friends, and so we already have Taha on this as well, and let me show you a little glimpse of what we're building. So I want to introduce you to Saad, my man who I am working on with a lot of things. I'll tell you all about it later on, but we were just sitting down and we were doing the dry runs for the event that is on the 22nd. Hello Saad, how are you, man? I am very well. वैसे लोगों को आवाज़ नहीं आई होगी, but just wave. Okay, so this is the script that I've been working on, and this is the project that I'm working on. So yeah, so one of the coolest problems that I have right now regarding the Notion event is I don't have the formal, semi-formal clothes that I want to wear. I bought a pant from a clothing store, and they had these bright white pleated pants which looked amazing on the screen, but when they came to my home they were too white. I think they were like super bright white, and I mean, I had to get them returned. So they're in the process of getting returned, but I will probably have to go out tomorrow. I'll take you guys along and I'll show you what I have in mind that I want to wear while I do my speech. Yeah, fancy problem. So this is outfit 1, which we can get, which is a quarter zipper with the powder blue shirt, and now changing to see the next outfit. Outfit 2. So we got a grey sweater with the little darker tones. Outfit 3. I don't like this part. Um, I don't know for some reason, but let's see. So I just took a shower in 11 degrees right now, and I need to moisturize my skin because I took a very hot shower. It's 11 degrees in Islamabad, and if it's 11 degrees in Islamabad, it means it's really cold. It's been dry winters, but anyways, so for tomorrow I have to get up early. I have the Notion event coming up. I actually bought some clothes. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll show you how I look like. I have to meet a friend, one of the other guest speakers tomorrow. Before going to the event, we have to catch up on a breakfast, so we'll have to do that. And उसके बाद हम लोगों ने event पे जाना है. And yeah, that is all it. We'll keep you tuned. And tomorrow is going to be a very busy day. It's 4 a.m. in the morning, so I only get to sleep for 4 hours. It's cool, man. This is big, like, and it's so hard to get in this place.
Sorry?
It's so hard to get in this place.
Yeah, sorry.
है ना? मैंने अभी भी देखा text. Hello. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. So I'm finally here at the event. This is how he look, and let's see how it goes. Sir bhi kat raha hai yaar, it's हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन. अगर आप लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि मुझे सिर्फ टेबल चेयर क्यों मिला है, दैट इज़ बिकॉज आई हैव टू गिव यू गाइस अ लाइव डेमो ऑफ व्हाट आई हैव पेड एंड व्हाट आई विल बी शोइंग यू गाइस. So